Hello everyone, this is Akshay, and in this video I'm going to show you installation of Ansible 2.9 in a RHEL machine. So the main aim of this video would be to show you installation of Ansible in a machine which is not connected to internet. Now this may happen at many places, for example in some government offices or in some corporate offices as well, wherein you're not connected to internet but nonetheless you would like to work with Ansible. So without wasting much of the time, let me first show you a quick demonstration of Ansible installation in a machine which is connected to internet. So the steps are fairly simple. First, we'll enable the official Ansible repository in our RHEL machine. Then we'll install Ansible using yum. And finally, we'll verify the installation. Let us quickly go through the demonstration for the same. So this is a fresh installation of RHEL machine. Let me just try installing Ansible directly to my fresh RHEL machine. Because there are no Ansible repositories at this point in my machine, I think it should give me an error. Let's just wait and check. Yes, here it is. It is unable to find Ansible. What we need to do at this time is we need to enable the official Ansible repository, and for that what we will do is we'll just quickly go to Google, and then we need to search for Ansible 2.9 repository. From the first web page, that is the Ansible's official website, you will get the command which you need to enter. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly copy this RPM file and paste it here. Yes, so this is successful. So Ansible 2.9 repository has been enabled for my machine. I'll just quickly check this and verify this using yum repo list command. Yes, here it is. Ansible 2.9 for RHEL. Now let's try installing Ansible once again. So it's asking me, I press yes, and it's done. So it's time to verify that it is installed correctly. So I'll check the version. Okay, yes, it shows it's Ansible 2.9. So that's it. That's how we install Ansible in a machine which is connected to internet. So now let's see how to install Ansible in a standalone machine. For this part, we'll be requiring two machines. The first one, which is connected to the internet and where we'll be downloading Ansible and all the dependent RPMs. And the second one, which is not connected to internet and where we finally intend to install Ansible. So on the first machine, what we'll do is we'll just install yum utils, through which we'll be able to use yum downloader tool. The second thing which we'll do is we will enable the official Ansible repository, as we have seen in the first part where we tried to download Ansible in a machine which is connected to the internet. And finally, using yum downloader, what we'll do is we'll download Ansible. And Ansible has also dependencies on Jinja 2 and PyYAML. So we'll download these RPMs as well using the yum downloader. Once we are done with downloading all the RPMs, what we need to do is we need to transfer these RPMs to the machine which is not connected to the internet machine. So that for that we can use any USB pen drive or CD drive, anything. So I assume that you will be able to transfer the RPMs through some means into the standalone machine. And once we are done transferring all the RPMs, we just need to use yum local install and install all the RPMs which we have downloaded. And then we need to verify if Ansible has been installed correctly. So let's see the demonstration. This is a fresh RHEL machine and I'm presently working in Ansible engine directory. As you can see, the directory is presently empty. So it is the same directory where I'll try to download the Ansible and the dependent RPMs. So first let me install yum utils so that I am able to use the yum downloader tool. It should take a few seconds. Yes, so yum utils has been installed. So now I'll quickly enable the Ansible repository in my RHEL machine. I'll just quickly copy and paste it here. So Ansible repository successfully enabled for my machine. It will take a few seconds. Yes, so this is done. Now we'll try to download the Ansible RPMs using the yum downloader tool. So the Ansible RPM is being downloaded. Yes, it's done. Now let's download the PyYAML and Ginger 2 RPMs as well. So we'll download Ginger 2 now. So Ginger 2 has been downloaded. Now let's download PyYAML. So PyYAML RPM has also been downloaded. Let's just check again. Yes, all three RPMs are there. So now we have downloaded all the required RPMs in our internet machine. We just need to transfer these RPMs onto our standalone machine so that we can continue with the installation. In which I downloaded all the RPMs. The IP address is 79.129 and this is my standalone machine which is not connected to internet. If I run Ansible command over here, you'll see that nothing works. The IP address of this machine is 79.131. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all the RPMs from my internet machine to the standalone machine using the SCP protocol. So all the RPMs have been copied into my standalone machine. Now let's start installing all the RPMs one by one. So first we'll start with the Python PyYAML RPM. So the installation of Python PyYAML is successful. Now let's start with the Jinja 2 installation. So this is also done. And finally, we start with installation of Ansible RPM. And Ansible installation is also successful. Now let's go and verify if the Ansible command works now. Yes, it works. And finally, we have installed Ansible in our standalone machine. So that's it, guys. I hope this video has been useful to you. I am planning to do a continued series on Ansible. Please do like and subscribe my channel if you liked this video. Thanks for watching.